Hola amigos, today I want to show you how I make my ensalada de nopales. You're going to start off by cleaning the nopales to remove the little thorns, and then you're going to slice them, put them in a pot, and then you're going to add the peel or the husk from a tomatillo to help reduce that viscous liquid that nopales can release. You're going to add some salt, and you're going to add plenty of water and simmer until they're a nice olive color, and then once they're cooked, you're going to drain them and rinse them thoroughly with cold water. And then you're going to make the dressing with salt, black pepper, Mexican oregano, and some lime juice, some olive oil, and then just put in a jar or in a little bowl and just shake it up until everything is well combined. And then once that's ready, you can put the rinsed nopales into a large bowl. You're going to add onion, you're going to add chopped tomato, serrano or jalapeno, and then mix until everything is very well combined. Add some chopped fresh cilantro, and again mix until everything is nice and well combined. Then you're going to shake your dressing again and then just pour it over the veggies, and then just mix again. You're going to taste it to see that there's plenty of salt, and then you're going to refrigerate for about 30 minutes, and then you can serve as desired. I love it on top of tostadas with some crumbled cotija cheese, and it's so delicious. You can use it on so many different things. Enjoy!